Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Linen and Leah Perfect Fit Pack and Play sheet onto your pack and play. Right here is the mattress of one of the pack and plays that I have, and here's the sheet. So we're going to start by taking apart the Velcro strap and fitting your sheet on the pack and play mattress just like you would any other sheet. And you're going to want to do the corners first. So I'll start here corner to corner on this end. Then I'm going to move over to this side. Again, corner to corner, just like any other sheet you put on. Okay, once it's on, you can flip it over. And you'll see that these two Velcro straps here would need to be attached. You can attach them and you can pull it as perfectly tight as you need to, just to make sure that you have that tight fit. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find the Velcro straps on the mattress. And once you've found that Velcro strap, you're going to find the buttonhole that it's associated with, and you're going to slide that Velcro strap through to the buttonhole like this. You'll notice many different buttonholes right here, and this is because pack and play manufacturers put their Velcro straps in different spots. So this is a universal mattress. It will fit about 90% of the playards on the market. This one that I'm using in this example happens to be a Graco. So then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to find the other strap, and I'm going to slide it through. And once your Velcro strap is strapped, your Velcro is slid through at the ends, you are ready to put the mattress onto the bed. Now I'm going to place the mattress into the base of the pack and play.